Here's how many days are until Valentine's Day. Actually, this is false. This is just text. We want to automate this. So we're going to add a formula here equals DATEDIF. Our start date is going to be today, and our end date is going to be the date of the next Valentine's Day, which is 2025. The month is 2, and the day is 14. It's always on February 14th. And our unit is going to be, in quotes, just the letter D. Now, what's going to happen is this year is going to be the same all the time. We need to automate that. So we're going to wrap year around today. But you'll see we have an error. Basically, right now is 2024, and we're looking at the date of 2024's Valentine's Day. So what we actually want to do is get next year's, but we don't want to do that all the time. Like during the middle between January 1st of the year and Valentine's Day, we're going to actually want this particular formula. So what we can do is wrap if error around this and say if there's an error, then we're going to actually copy this whole formula over and paste it. Now, if there's an error, we can change this year to next year by just adding a +1. So now it says 64 days until Valentine's Day, and when the year is the right year, like the same year, it will go back to this original one because there won't be an error there. And that's how you automate next year's Valentine's Day. And this will constantly be updated. It's a great thing to add to little dashboards or around your sheets. If you're looking to get more out of your sheets than ever before, become a member over at bettersheets.co, where I teach dozens of courses, hundreds of tutorials, give away tools, templates to members all the time. I just created recently, actually, Sheets Wrap for the end of the year to analyze your Google Sheets, how many you edited, what's your biggest sheet, what's your first sheet of the year. Go check it out at bettersheets.co/sheetswrapped.